In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rewrite text with Copilot in Microsoft Word. Let's start by getting the text ready. Highlight the sentence, paragraph, or entire section you want Copilot to improve. Make sure you include the full thought, punctuation, and any surrounding context that helps the AI understand what you're trying to say. The better the selection, the better the rewrite will fit your document. Now, activate Copilot. When your text is selected, you might see a small Copilot icon appear in the margin next to it. Click that to bring up quick options. If you don't see the icon, no problem. Click the main Copilot button in the Word ribbon, usually in the top right or on the Home tab, to open the chat pane. Keeping the pane open is handy if you plan to iterate a few times. Next, choose how you want to rewrite. From the floating menu, select Rewrite to see instant suggestions, or, if you prefer more control, type a prompt in the chat pane such as "Rewrite this to be more concise," or "Make this sound more professional." Be specific about what you want: clarity, simpler wording, a friendlier tone, so Copilot can tailor the output. You're not changing the meaning here, just the delivery, so focus your prompt on style and tone. Copilot will present several suggested rewrites. This is where you choose how to apply them. Click Replace to swap your text with the suggestion, or insert below to drop the rewrite under your original, which is great for side-by-side comparison. If none of the options feel right, click Regenerate to see new variations. You can also refine the tone by saying things like formal, casual, concise, or longer. For instance, if you're writing an email to a broad audience, casual or concise might feel approachable, while formal can fit reports or official documents. Don't hesitate to iterate. A quick tweak to your prompt can make a big difference. Before you finalize, always review what Copilot produced. Read it in context, verify that key points are still accurate, and check for names, numbers, and specialized terms. Make sure the tone matches your audience and that any formatting remains intact. If something feels off, adjust your prompt and try again, or select Insert below to keep both versions until you're confident. And that's it. Select your text, activate Copilot, choose how to rewrite, review the options, and apply the one that fits best. With a little guidance from you, Copilot can help you polish your writing quickly while keeping your message clear and accurate.